Homemade toys are often to create and may end up being keepsakes. They also make great gifts. Read the steps below to learn a few different ways to make one of the most iconic children's toys or the doll in the comfort of your own home. Be sure everything is roughly matched. Some hobby shops may sell kits that take care of such considerations for you. You'll also need paint and thinner, a small paintbrush and some doll clothes. Doll heads range from vinyl heads with synthetic hair to simple base elements that can be combined as you see fit. Be aware that if you buy a doll head, eyes, and a wig all separately, you'll need to do a bit more work to put the doll together. Wigs can be made from any type of fabric you like. Specialty yarns like alpaca or mohair and make hair, but raggedy colored yarn is fine too. Assemble the doll. Softer plastic doll parts can usually be pressed into holes on the body to make a doll with moving joints. Alternatively, use an appropriate type of glue, plastic, cement, or wood glue, to fix the doll's limbs in position, or to make a doll from simpler or hardened parts if you use glue. Wipe away excess glue from around the joint when you're finished.